Hello, Jennifer Tochi here. And this is the goal I have for today. I'm not gonna cry. I got it. I got a box. I'm excited and I'm happy. My son already, ow. See, that's why my son already opened it for me. I have not looked in though. But it says fragile on the side, on the top and everything, but yes, my finger's not feeling better yet, but there was a note. I just saw a note. Where'd it go? I'm already a blubber mess, but I'm not going to. Okay, got a note. Okay. Jen, sorry to hear about the damage to your movie collection. I wanted to send these along as I'm cleaning some titles out of mine. Hope you enjoy them and start building the collection back again. Cody from, H&S Collectibles. Great guy. I've got a funny picture on the TV, and I'm wearing my earrings, so I'm not gonna cry. Yeah, I'm not gonna cry. Okay, let's see what I got. Oh. A Friday 13th movies, 8 movie collection. Oh. Now I have Jason and Michael back. I miss them. The poor guys. They were destroyed in the basement flood. Now I have them both back. Thank you so much, Cody. What else you got? another one I lost. Oh, okay, good fellas. Yeah, Joe Pesci is my favorite actor in this movie. I love it. He could be the funniest guy in the world or the scariest guy. I swear. What's next? Die Another Day. 007. With my second favorite James Bond, Pierce Brosnan. The first one has to be Sean Connery, but I like Die Another Day. That's a cool movie. Damn it! Don't cry. Don't cry. Yes, I have to yell at myself sometimes. Okay, sorry. Before there were kings, and it's stand-up comedians. Before they became the legends that they are now. Cool. That's like seeing on that movie Punchline. You see Damon Wayans in his days when he was just getting started, and it was before he started shaving his head, but he looked cute. Oh, there's another Wayans on this one. This is going into the Wayans. Yes, I've never seen this one before. Thank you. Oh, the Wayans. Yes. I do have a little addiction to the Wayans. Thanks to In Living Color. Universal Soldier Regeneration. With Jean-Claude Van Damme, of course. That's who I'm flirting with. Okay. And Dolph Lundgren. I'm still mad at you, Dolph Lundgren, for being so mad at Jet Li and the Expendables. Probably be saying that till the end of my life. Still mad at you, Dolph Lundgren. Even though they told you to play that part. Child's Play. A great movie. Great movie. Paul Blart. Mall Cop. Oh, funny. I love this movie. You just want to feel sorry for him and hug him and then cheer him on. My DVD was getting a little worn out there. Too much usage. I do love that movie. Something I've been looking for on DVD. Titanic, yes. So thank you. Sleepaway Camp. I don't have this. Cool. Ooh. Exciting. The Shawshank Redemption. Ooh. Good movie. Tim Robbins was wonderful in this movie. Which I can't say in all his movies, but... And Morgan Freeman, he can't just do anything. I love that movie. That's cool. Okay, what's this? My son is going to steal this from me immediately. So this is going to have to go into a place to hide. Yes. Death Race. Yes. I do not have this here. Thank you. I am going to watch it and enjoy it, and I will watch it with my son. A Blu-ray of the Boondock Saints. I have never seen that. Who's in it? William Dafoe, Sean Patrick Flannery. Ooh, Sean Patrick Flannery. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's Soylent Green. This is one of my, oh my God, this is one of my favorite movies. And when I went down to my basement, this was the first one I noticed floating. And oh my God, it was, and a rock had flown through it, and oh my goodness, you caught me. Thank you so much. I'm just gonna look at a blubbering fool in every video. Logan's Run with Farrah Fawcett. I remember this one. Oh my, yes, I like that one too. May, the year I was born. Oh my goodness. So I'm sorry if I'm going to turn into a blubbering fool every time I get a box. I'm trying myself not to. Maybe I should put an extra pair of earrings in next. I have a feeling it's not gonna work. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna end right here. Yeah. Say, thank you so much, Cody. Yeah, these movies will be well loved and well taken care of. Thank you. Goodbye.